rangba ka jila korat sangma ne kesngi lalej bani shimbanta hagban play ya ka Raj Bhawan Hatura West Garo Hills District ya ka ne ka jing play ya ka yeng ulan la play da ulat ka jila upagu Chauhan ha ka jing sakhilang jong ki menteri sorkar ka MP bat kuwai habakran ha ka ne kesngi na kalyang menteri rangba ukorat sangma ulaong ba ka ne ka deka history ya ka than Garo Hills baro kuwai Kamtam bandon ya ke ïingsah jong ulat ke jelah. Ulai kublai kerpang ru ya ulan. Ubala kersan borba. Ban pun urlong ya kene ke projek. Shushu nak kaleng menteri rangba ulai itu. Bahkan long ru ke jingsarong. Ba ke presiden jong keri. Ka Drupadi Murmu. Kan sa hakini ke jaka. Hakini kisngi. Ba kawan jongo ya ke jelah.
It is supposed to be secret location, no?
Are requested to assemble behind the LED screen.
Chandeliers. Yes. I'll bring the list. Bring the list coming. Here, na?
The inauguration of the Governor's House highlights the commitment of our government to provide the best infrastructure and facilities to foster growth and development in this region. The Governor's House holds immense importance as it serves as a symbol of governance and is the seat of authority. It is here that the Governor represents the state, welcomes dignitaries, conducts official meetings, and represents the aspirations and interests of the people.
आज राजभवन पूरा का लोकार्पण करते हुए मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि गारो हिल्स के मुख्यालय पूरा में इस राजभवन के निर्माण से यहाँ की जनमानस का एक बहुत पुराना सपना साकार हुआ है। मुझे विश्वास है कि इस राजभवन के निर्माण से गारो हिल्स का ये विकास और तीव्र गति के साथ आगे बढ़ेगा। गारो हिल्स बहादुरों की भूमि रही है, जहाँ पर तोंगान, नोमिंजा, संगमन जैसे वीर योद्धा पैदा हुए हैं और अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए ब्रिटिश शासन के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ते हुए अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी। मैं गारो हिल्स के युवाओं पर अपील करता हूँ कि आप लोग राज्य के विकास में अपना योगदान दें, जिससे हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का विकसित भारत संकल्प यात्रा के सपने को पूरा किया जा सके। मैं अपने माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री जी का बहुत आभारी हूँ, जिन्होंने राजभवन पूरा के निर्माण में अपनी अहम भूमिका निभाई है, जिसका परिणाम आज आप लोगों के सामने राजभवन पूरा की निर्मित बिल्डिंग है। मैं अपनी वाणी को यही विराम देते हुए समारोह में उपस्थित आप सभी महानुभावों को पुनः एक बार हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। कुबलई नितेला, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
To be part of this very, very important and I must say a very historic moment in the history of our state and specifically in the history of Garo Hills. I first of all would like to thank God Almighty, for it is His blessings because of which we are all here, and it is because of His blessings that this project has finally seen the light of day. I also would like to thank and welcome our Honorable Governor, Shri Phagu Chauhanji, who has been instrumental and very supportive in making this project successful. A governor house, but it is a symbol of inclusiveness. It is a symbol to show that all the people in this state are one and united. And that is the most important message for today. This project has been pending for a very long time. सर, ये प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत बहुत पहले हुई थी और बहुत सालों से ये प्रोजेक्ट को निगलेक्ट किया गया एक तरीके से, और ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत सालों पहले ही खत्म होना चाहिए था, लेकिन अलग अलग कारणों की वजह से ये नहीं हो पाया. And the delay was something that had also led to large concerns from different parts of the state. And hence, sir, today, the completion of this project is not just a milestone in terms of the Governor's Secretariat and for the Honorable Governor, but it is a very strong and important message for the people of our state.
Everyone, and indeed today is a very, very important and very historic moment where we have today inaugurated the Governor House here in Tura, and this has been a very long pending project and also of great expectation from the people of the state, especially from the Garo Hills region. And hence today is a great moment for all of us, where we have been able to inaugurate the Governor House here in Tura, and it sends a very, very good and a positive message to the people of the state. And I'm happy that the Honorable Governor himself, Mr. Phagu Chauhanji, had inaugurated this Governor House, and I'm sure that now with this infrastructure being here, we will see the visit of the Governor more often to Garo Hills, and also we will see that the Governor will be able to spend more time here and connect with the people of this region of the state also. And hence it's a great development, and I once again thank the Honorable Governor, and would also like to thank the different departments that have played a very important role in completing this particular project.